The idea of AI agents is amazing. In theory, AI agents are those little pieces of software that make services for you. Service as a software, if you will. The thing is that all the AI agent platforms that are out there today, they're all very slow, very cumbersome, and they don't really work that well. Which is why I'm super excited to announce that I have invested in a company called Enso, which makes AI agents that actually work. And starting today, Enso is available for everybody. So let's talk about it. First, a disclaimer. I'm an investor in Enso, and it was also founded by my brother, so I might be a little bit biased. With that said, I still think that the technology behind Enso is amazing, and it will make your life better. This is Miki Haslavsky. Miki Haslavsky is the founder and CEO of Enso, and Miki is also my brother. So, hi Miki, can you tell me a bit about what Enso is?
Enso is a marketplace where small businesses can find high-quality premium services at a fraction of the cost.
Enso's bots have been designed to solve the tasks for busy business owners and augment traditional digital agencies.
So let's say you're a small business, let's say an accountant or an accounting firm somewhere in Michigan in the US, and you want somebody to do your SEO. So go do keyword research that are relevant for your business and your area and specific, your customers, generate backlinks to your website, write articles about the keywords that are relevant for your business, and etc. That today would cost you north to $1,000 a month. We developed something called Guided AI Agent, so it's a completely new technology that can do the exact same thing for $80 a month.
So if you need marketing content, you need SEO, you need accounting, you need video production, podcast production, webinars, Enso can do all of that and at a fraction of the cost of traditional digital agencies. So let's take a look at how Enso actually works if you want to order a bot. So we go in Enso and you can choose one of the bots available or choose your industry. So what is it that you are doing? So let's say that the industry I want to choose is a fashion store. For a fashion store, you need a Google Anchor, Instagram Manager, Facebook Manager, and LinkedIn Manager, and so on. So let's order an Instagram Manager. Okay. We get 7 days free trial and actually 30 days money back guarantee. We enter our payment details, and after that, we give the Instagram address, and the bot started working. And you can see that it will generate a post, a story, and reels. And the next delivery is at 9:26, so basically in 1 hour. And that's it really. Basically, the bots do everything for you. You just give it a little bit of basic information and then thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay, so it's the next day and let's see the results of what Enso generated for us. We have our podcast, newsletter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So let's start with LinkedIn. So you see that the next delivery is going to be tomorrow at 4 p.m. But we already have one delivery that has been created for us. And it created the whole post with an image that matches. Pretty cool. Let's see Instagram. So we have 2 different drafts of posts with the image, title, with our logo here and here. We have one just delivered. You can see the evolution of video games.
Welcome back to another captivating episode of Hacking Modern Life, the podcast where we delve into the fascinating realms of entertainment.
So there you have it, completely autonomously generated content for Instagram, LinkedIn, and a podcast. Pretty cool.
Our parents are business owners, small business owners, and you don't have the time as a small business. You have to focus on what the core is, what really matters to your business. But businesses do not work this way. There's always something that you have to do that you don't have the either resources or time to do it by yourself.
And so when I started experimenting and learning about AI agents, my brother said, well, what if we use them in order to deliver value and solve the problems that our parents had? And so we set to build the first MVP of that, which was a WhatsApp blog that would post AI news in Hebrew autonomously. That AI agent, the AI agent that we built, went ahead, scouted the internet for content, and it would summarize it, translate it to Hebrew, and post it all autonomously. And that's where we felt that, aha, we have an idea here that could be huge. Move forward a few months later with a large team of people coming from Intel and Fiverr and a lot of other companies, a huge team of experts that took that idea, ran with it, and built an amazing technology based on that idea. And you have Enso. Enso mixes the world of workflows, which are stable but stupid, with AI agents, which can be extremely creative and can figure out a lot of things but are very unstable. Running the same AI agent multiple times will give you different results, and in many cases will give you no results at all because they just get lost. Enso took the AI agents and put them on rails, essentially defining workflows or in more traditional structures of workflows. Enso kind of injects and guides the AI agents and tells them what is the best content to generate in order to deliver the value that is needed to achieve the goals that the business owner wants.
The guided agents that we've built are serving small businesses. They're working in the background, so you don't need to operate them. They're proactive. It's not a tool. You don't work with this. It works for you. So for Instagram content, it would come up with ideas and tell you, hey, here's good ideas for content. For LinkedIn, same thing. If it needs to track Quora and find you, potential leads, it'll do that proactively. That's a different experience than a tool. You don't click on stuff. It's not reactive. We actually have 2 buttons on the platform that actually matter, which is thumbs up if you like the content and ask for a revision if you don't.
So how is Enso different than other AI sellers as well? Enso's bots, they actually go and do the research for you. They go and generate the images, the banners for you. If you order a bot that manages your webinar, it will go every month and write a webinar, prepare it, record it, manage the people who are joining to watch the webinar, and will run the webinar for you. At the end of the day, all you got is the leads that this webinar generated that you can promote your product to afterwards. But you didn't need to lift a finger. You just hired a bot. If you just go to ChatGPT or any other AI tool, it will answer your prompt, and that's it. The difference between how Enso works and the way that traditional large language models work, or like chatbots work, is that Enso will actually run in the background. So if you set the schedule, or if the bot recommends a weekly schedule, Enso will deliver the value every week without you even needing to go there and prompt it. And in fact, it will learn more and more about your industry, and it will improve the results and deliverables over time as well. And because Enso's bots are on guidelines or on guardrails, they do not make up things and do not hallucinate things outside of the domain of your business or your industry. And they're being fed the relevant information in order to deliver the best result for you. And the good news, a lot of the different AI models and tools and things that we've been seeing lately come with a wait list or come with like a limited demo that we cannot actually try. With Enso, it works differently. Enso is available right now. You can use it in the link in the description. And I also asked the team at Enso to provide a discount code, which I will also link in the description below when it becomes available. Alright, I'm super excited to present Enso for you. I'm super curious to see what you will do with Enso. And I would love for you to leave me a comment with which of the bots you are the most excited about and you think you will actually use inside your business or your everyday life. If you're new here, welcome. And here I talk about things that help us make our modern life more efficient, be it with coding, gadgets, or AI tools. If you enjoy that kind of stuff, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time I feel like making a video. Bye.